So I have a little bit of good news. I have an update on our chart of accounts that affects our monthly project financials. So now you'll notice that I don't have, under the code, I don't have P1, P2, P3, P4 down here, where now I put in, just for display, 111 Main Street, Oak Street, Pine Street, Maple Street. And up here, the members, you already know that you can put in individuals' names there, and I will make a little note here that you can change that stuff. So, but as far as the projects are concerned, you had to use in the drop-down box the P1, P2, P3, P4, and then each project, if we go to, let's say, month one, would have up here along this top line where it says account, it was P1, P2, P3, P4, and underneath it, it would name the project. Well, now we don't have to do that. Now it will directly name the project, so you don't have to toggle back and forth. So let me just give you an example of what I'm talking about. So before I give you that example, just remember that this, we're talking about, you're going into the tab that says chart of accounts, and it's under code. It's just affecting the code, and right now what I'm showing you is affecting the code, plus your project financials that are all labeled as Project Financial M1, Project Financial M2. Those M's stand for which month you're talking about, okay? So it's code affecting the project financials. Everything else you have in the large video that I already did. These members, just remember again, those only refer to the equity split, meaning your different members of your LLC or partnership. And if you're a sole proprietor, you don't need to touch this, all right? It'll automatically just go to equity. But if you have more than one member, you want to know how much equity each member has, all you have to do is go to your member page here, put the person's name in right here, and that'll show up in your equity split page. All right, so let me give you an example. In month one, we're going to say we've got 153 Any Boulevard is the code for the project, and I said cash in $1,000. Oak Street, cash out $50. This first one, the 1,000, was rental income. The second one is accounting. I'm going to do a third one here. Let's do the drop down, and we're going to go to Pine Street, and we're going to do 1,200, and we're going to call that rental income on Pine Street. And let's go to the project financials now, and you'll see. So right here you'll see the 153 Any Boulevard got $1,000. Pine Street got $1,200 in rent. On the other side, we've got accounting, $50 on Oak Street. So, and then your totals for the month are here. Then if we go to the last page, it's year to date and year end totals. You'll see totaled up all accounts. We've got $2,150 in cash. That minus 50 is because it ended up being an expense accounting. All right, and here you see all the rental income, $2,200. So that's it. You know, it gives you an opportunity to specifically name projects. And again, it also allows you to name your partners when they're doing your equity split. So thank you guys. Again, I hope everybody enjoys using this. And again, I'll try to give everybody contact information if you have ideas, questions, you think something's a little off, just let me know.